Good evening once again at the Buffalo VA Hospital today. A ceremony of honor paying tribute to those who go above and beyond for our war veterans. Legion of Honor awards given out today to 4 Western New Yorkers who have never forgotten the men and women who fought for their country and now find themselves in the hospital, oftentimes aging and all alone. But thankfully, there is Michael Hoplite of Niagara Falls, Carl Eugene Moore of Buffalo, and Greg Scott of East Amherst. They make sure the hospitalized vets get the attention that they deserve.
It's the highest priority. No one should be in this hospital or any hospital by themselves with no visitors.
This service is in honor of the 4 U.S. Army chaplains who went down with their ship in 1943 during World War II. They gave up their life jackets to younger soldiers. There weren't enough, so they could survive. And there was one other hero recognized at the VA today. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Sean Robson has the story of Riley, the therapy dog.
Are you alive? Are you alive? Oh, good girl.
Riley Scott is not your ordinary pup, and she does more than tricks when she goes on her rounds through 3 local hospitals each week.
But they're looking for a little attention, a little affection. She'll lick them, she'll come up to them, she'll comfort them.
Riley is a therapy dog, and her owner, Greg Scott, takes her to visit hospital patients and war veterans.
A lot of people miss the dog. They have their own dogs and they're in the hospital.
Today, Riley became the first ever therapy dog to win the Legion of Honor Humanitarian Award at the VA Medical Center, commemorating her selfless service to her community and country for almost 5 years now.
Some of these volunteers put in, and employees put in hours and hours and hours of extra time for our veteran community, and it doesn't go unnoticed.
And now Riley could use a little morale booster herself. Just 11 months ago, Riley was diagnosed with cancer after Scott found a mass on her back.
The tumor arrived in just 2 weeks. It just popped up on her back, and we took her in, and he said he didn't like the way it felt.
But Scott says that hasn't stopped Riley from doing what she loves to do.
It's been tremendous. You would never even know that she has it.
The tandem hasn't skipped a beat, consistently bringing smiles into hospitals by offering some positive reinforcement.
Give me a high five. If we could touch someone's life in a special way and they're happy, it's just the gratification to make people happy and give them a little attention and brighten their days. And that gives me all the satisfaction I need for what I do.
Sean Robson, 7 Eyewitness News.